Welcome to Reset Your Shakti. Now we are going to look at the practical for Dwipaduttanpadasana. So this asana is done on your back in supine position, where we're going to lie down and we're going to bring both our legs in 90 degrees. And all the information about this asana and the importance of this asana is explained in your Reset Your Shakti guide. So please refer there. This is just the practice of this asana. So right now I'm going to show you how to do this. I'm going to lie down on my back. Hands next to my hips. Chin up, and slowly bring your legs 90 degrees. Stay here as long as possible. Keep breathing. Do not rush your legs. Do not hold any pressure in any of your body part. Now how to release? Slowly, while exhaling, we're going to bring back our legs on the mat. Slow and steady. This is Dwipaduttanpadasana. Happy practicing.